Hey guys, I'm just doing a little video today on my incredible holographic glitters and what I'm going to be doing with them later. And I'll put this video up today, upload this video today, and then I'll do the actual one with resin next. Okay? I got these unbelievable, this is called Strawberries and Cream. Look at that. Oh my god. I'll put the links below to her stuff. This is Feisty Fuchsia, which looks like a combination of these two little baby ones that I have right here. See? It's kind of a combination of those two. And I have this little baby too. Copper. This is copper. I mean, I'm just so in love with these. This is rose gold. Look at that. What I'm going to do is combine them with these translucent glitters. I've used these before where they're really almost clear. I mean, you know, translucent, this color is there, but they're not opaque at all. So I'm going to be combining all this stuff. Look at this blue. I'm having trouble coming up with something for this blue. Summer Night. Oh, wow. And this is Frost Warning. Frost Warning. And Mr. Green Jeans. Remember him? And this incredible one. I did this in a Christmas ornament, but I don't want to put it up yet because it's not close to Christmas. So cute. So cute. I can't wait. And this is Flashpoint. Look at the colors. Okay, so, and I'm going to be making some magnets in my soap molds. I'll show you how to do that using the combination of, no, not those, but, you know, colors in here. And then I'll be finishing them, because these are flat, they're matte molds, so I'll be finishing them with a layer of resin after they're dried. And you can see how to do that. I'm going to put this all together in a big, well, it won't be long, I don't think, video. But anyway, that's what's coming next. So I'm going to upload this today. I just wanted to get you excited because, oh my word, look at these. Aren't they pretty? Oh my god. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. So I will work on that today. And I'm going to go upload this now, okay? Alright, see you soon. Might take a couple of days because the things have to dry and everything, okay? Alright, bye. Oh, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.